free app that pays you $100 instantly, even if you are broke. A worldwide opportunity, and this is a way you can make money online in 2024. Now, just recently I came across this exact same video that was made a few months ago, and I went and obviously wanted to test this app and make sure that it is possible to actually earn $100 instantly. So this is what this video is about. I'm going to go through exactly what was said in this video, go and investigate and find out whether it is the truth. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video, and you're going to find out whether this app will pay you $100 instantly. Of course, this is ideal if you are looking to earn some extra cash online. Well, I'm going to show you inside each of these apps and show you exactly what sort of money you can actually earn, whether it is possible to earn $100 instantly. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from martinburt.online, and I make videos about making money online so that you can actually make money online too. Let's jump across to the desktop now, and we'll run through this video step by step, and we'll do further investigations and find out whether this is true or whether it is just a little bit of clickbait. Okay, so this is the video that I saw recently, and I wanted to investigate further to make sure that obviously this free app does actually pay out $100 instantly. Well, this guy actually talks about 3 different apps that he recommends that you can actually earn money. So I wanted to go and investigate and go and actually inside the app and find out exactly what these apps are about and whether you can actually earn this money. I've done loads of different reviews about different apps and surveys, and one of these ones I've already done a full review. So make sure you stay tuned. That's the one right at the end, the third one. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you inside the back end, and I'm going to show you actually what I've earned in the last 6 months, so I can prove whether you are actually going to earn $100 instantly. Now, the first app he looks at is called Neurocortex, and this is all about sharing your internet with Neocortex, and then you will actually get paid. So this all sounds really, really easy. This is obviously a passive thing. Apps like this are around. I've used some on my phone before, and they do actually work, and they do pay out. Now, I haven't actually used Neocortex before, but I did go and do further investigations and find out exactly how much you could earn. It also says here there's going to be no snooping. Obviously, they're not invade your personal information. You will get no ads popping up, and there is no evil. We just use the processor to help customers get their work done. So you're actually piggybacking off of your internet connection. And this is all legal, above board. And like I say, I have used apps like this that have actually got me money every single month. Stay tuned right to the very end, because I'm then going to actually tell you exactly what sort of money you can earn with these apps. So the second one we want to go to, and this one is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, this is a workplace which you can actually go and join. It's part of Amazon, and you can go and join it, and then you can search different tasks that you can actually get done, which you can then get paid for. So again, Amazon, a really big name, easy to sign up for. You just, if you've already got an Amazon account, which most people have, sign in as a worker up here, and that's all you need to do. And then you will be taken through to the Amazon Turk actual web place, where you can find out what tasks and that are available. And these are things that you can actually do from your laptop, working from home, and is ideal to actually get if you're looking to earn some extra cash online every single month. But again, I will be showing you inside my Amazon Turk account, and I'll show you exactly what sort of things are available and whether you can actually earn that $100 as stated in the video. Now, the final app that he says he uses is called Prolific. And again, this is more to do with obviously research. So you will be asked to do different tasks. And again, you will get paid to participate in these tasks from the companies that want obviously this research done. It's very, very simple. I have actually used this, and I've actually tested this over about a 3 or 6 months period. So I can actually show you in a minute exactly what these tasks involve and how much you're going to get paid. You were promised at the beginning of this video that you're going to find a free app that pays you $100 instantly. So let's just go and jump into those 3 and show you exactly the sort of amounts, because this guy never actually tells you this information that I'm going to tell you right now. So the Neocortex ad, as you see here, it says, show me the money. Top earning users will get $80 a year. Okay, that's not $100 free. That is $80 per year. Yes, they will probably pay out. Like I say, these do pay out, and they do offer this money, but it is a very, very small percentage of the money they give away. So make sure that you obviously know that before you actually start using apps like this. Okay, so let's go and check out Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is my account here, and as you can see, these are the HIT groups. Okay, there's 499 in total, but as you can see, the rewards are 2 cents, 5 cents, 15 cents. Oh, this one's $7.50, so that's not too bad. Again, there's some other $7.50 ones here, $4. But as you can see, again, this is not going to pay you $100 instantly. So let's have a look at the Prolific. Now, this is one that I've actually tested myself over the last few months. So this is my actual account. And as you can see, these are in the study. So this is what you can get. So this will pay you £1.60 or £7.23. This one here, as you can see, I've bought up, will pay you 25 pence or from 25 pence up to £8.65. So let's just show you the submissions that I've actually taken over the last few months and find out exactly whether we can actually earn. Like I say, these again are nowhere near the $100 that he promises. So my submissions have been, as you can see, I've taken 4 submissions, and these have been rewards of 60 pence. I've actually got a 41 pence bonus, 95 pence, 13 pence, and 31 pence, giving me a total of £2.40. And as you can see from the dates, these are literally 1 or 2 a month. So yes, you could do more, but these are ones that I actually got approved for. So as you can see, again, Prolific, yes, you can earn money with Prolific, and it is a great app. But you are not going to actually earn the $100 instantly. Now, if you're actually looking to earn $100 a pop from doing work online, then check out my free affiliate profit formula course that actually goes through and shows you exactly how you can use affiliate marketing to make money. And I use this to earn over 4 figures a month with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to do this and this is something you want to put the work into, because it's not something you're going to be able to set and forget, you can then go and grab my affiliate profit formula mini course for free, and I start to walk you through exactly what I've been doing to earn over 4 figures monthly. But make sure you obviously do your due diligence in any apps and that you actually start using, and don't take for granted that you are also easily going to earn what somebody says on a YouTube video. Make sure you obviously follow people that are reputable and are going to give you all the information, e.g. me. Make sure you subscribe now. Trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.